Hi guys, welcome back to Winburst, and now that we're finished creating our functions and connect.php, we're now to include that functions and connect in our header and other main. So we will include this function and connect in our main rather and our header. So I'll include it a while ago, and then now I'm going to insert the login codes in our login.php. So I'll prepare the codes earlier, so I will paste it here, and this will be the PHP login code for our login.php. If I set as post username, I set post password, then username is equal to post username, and password is equals to post password. Then password will be hash md5 for password. If empty user and empty password, the query will select user ID from user where username in the MySQL real escape string is the username, and the password in MySQL escape string password hash and double quotation, single quotation, and double quotation again, then semicolon. Then if the query run MySQL query and the query num rows MySQL num rows, and again SQL num. If query num rows is equal to 0, then it will echo invalid username or password. And else if squery num row is equals to 0 and the user ID is equals to MySQL result, SQL query run 0 and the user ID, and the session user ID is equals to user ID, and the header will locate in the main.php, and else it will echo please enter username and password. So let us save this and let us try these codes that we've pasting here. So let's go to our login, then type a username, then password, then click login. As you can see, invalid username and password because that username and password is not yet at the database, so it will invalid. And that's all for our login.php. That's all for our inserting codes in our PHP login form, and that's all for now, and see you next tutorial guys. Thank you.